Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Kumusta kayo? Anong oras na? 12:30 in the morning. Sana kayo kayo, patulog na kayo. Wala kayo sa vlog. Let's see. Bye!
Hello, Monay. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. Wala ka man lang paramdam. Gusto ko, happy tayong lahat. Maligayang kaarawan.
Hi Tito Monay. Happy birthday po. Lagi po kayo mag-iingat. Go.
Happy birthday, Tito Monay. Wish you all the best and have a great day.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jeff. Stay healthy and God bless you always. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jeff. Many more birthdays to come. God bless you.
Happy birthday. Baka naman.
Happy birthday, Ninong Monay. God bless.
Paring Mons, happy birthday. Pasensya ka na, medyo magulo dito sa plakahan eh. Wish you all the best. Lagi kang mag-iingat sa pagbiyahe-biyahe mo. Ha? Kita-kits na lang. Happy birthday.
Hello Jeff, happy birthday to you. And many more birthdays to come. At ingat kayong lahat dyan. Salamat sa iyo. Thank you.
Idol Mons, happy birthday. Saludo. Hello, Monay. Si Tito Alito. Happy birthday sa'yo. Galing ito sa akin, kay Tito G. At para sa lahat na rin, sa amin lahat dito, baka ako lang ang nag-message sa'yo. Yung pag may handa ka, padalan mo kami rito. Ha? Kung sakaling wala pa, ang pag-birthday ko sa'yo at ano ko sa'yo sa pag-uwi ko na lang dyan. Siguro mga hopefully September or October this year ulit. Okay? So happy birthday ulit sa'yo. At salamat sa tulong mo. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.
Mons, happy birthday! Enjoy mo tong araw na to. At salamat sa lahat ng tinulong mo sa aking pamilya, sa amin lahat. Basta mag-ingat kayo dyan at laging magdasal ha. Basta ako at ang aking pamilya, si Apple, si JC at si CJ, binabati ka namin happy birthday. Salamat tol.
Okay, pinagdidiwang namin yung birthday mo, Monay.
1, 2, 3! Happy birthday, Monay! Happy birthday, Monay! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Monay! Guys, bati ako. Happy birthday, Monay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Monay!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Brad!
Oh, sino?
Happy birthday!
Boss, happy birthday!
Ayan, si Jempoy.
Si Jempoy, mahabol pa, Monay. Ayan.
Happy birthday! Totoo ba yan?
Day to you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Day, Monay.
Happy na birthday pa!
Baka naman. Huwag kayong ganun.
Huwag ganon! Happy na birthday pa!
Happy birthday, Mom!
Birthday, Brad!
Happy 40th! God bless
Happy 40th birthday!
always!
God bless!
Happy birthday,
birthday,
Mona!
Tito Monay!
Kamusta? Ingat lagi! Enjoy your day! Happy birthday! Hey! Happy birthday!
Hi!
Happy birthday! Monay! Yun na yun! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mons! Thank you for everything. We love you.
Thank you sa lahat.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Tito!
Brad, happy birthday! Baka naman. Ano ba? Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi ko alam kung anong sasabi, pero gusto ko mag-thank you sa mga serbisyong nagagawa mo sa amin, especially sa nung umuwi si Michelle, nung inahatid mo kami sa airport. Thank you so much on that. Just ano lang, basta alam mo naman dapat sama-sama tayo para matibay tayo, di ba? Okay? Happy birthday again, Boss Jeff. Basta pagka umuutang ako, dapat laging meron lang, ha? Sige, happy birthday, Brad.
Happy birthday, Monay. Salamat sa help and sa suporta palagi sa amin. Wishing you all the best and good health. Bye!
Uwi mo, kanya. Happy birthday, Jeff. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to celebrate with your loved ones. God bless you and the whole family.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jeff. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello, pamangkin kong mabait na anak, mabait na kapatid, mabait na pinsan, mabait na ama, at mabait na asawa. At ikaw makakasagot niyan kung mabait siyang asawa, ha? Wishing you all the best, Jeff. May you have more wonderful years to celebrate your special day to your loved ones. We love you, Jeff. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay, we love you. That's all.
Hi, Tito Jeff. Happy birthday. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Ninong Jeff. Wishing you more blessings and good health. Ingat kayo dyan palagi and I hope to see you guys soon.
Happy birthday, Tito Jeff. Thank you for everything that you've done and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday po.
Maligayang kaarawan, Mons. Iba ka talaga, tol.
Happy birthday to
Kakaiba ka talaga, Brad. Rap, bati ka naman sa ninong mo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Kaya naman, ninong. Ilang taon na yan, ninong. Mi, bati ka naman kay Mons.
Happy birthday. Pork for you. Hindi mo kumakain ng pork.
Pork? Happy birthday to Mon.
Happy birthday, Tito Mon. Maligayang kaarawan. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Ninong Mon.
Brad, happy birthday. Pakapi ka na. Happy birthday daw, sabi ni Jelay, busy siya eh. More birthdays to come. God bless, Brad.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Monay!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you, Amanda.
Po, Tito Jeff. Maligayang birthday po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati sa iyong pagsilang. Maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati. Ito na daw yung handa mo. Happy birthday, Monay!
Handang buhay! Happy birthday, Ninong Jeff! Baka naman daw, wala bang pa-Jollibee dyan?
Happy birthday, Ninong. Jollibee dyan.
Happy birthday, Tito Monay.
Magpasanggop sa karaw.
More birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Monay.
Wala bang sangyup?
Tara na, sanggip na tayo.
Uwi na kayo dito, hindi
Uwi na.
na daw kami galit. Sige na, oh.
Happy birthday, Ninong. Thank you for everything. Lista mo muna. Babawi na lang ako sa susunod.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mons. I love you. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. And PS, may bill na yung Meralco. Bye-bye.
1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Daddy! Mwah. Love you, Daddy! Love you, Daddy! Video!